everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 7, experiments with water. So let's begin. Question number 1, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter or alphabet in the box provided against each question. So question number 1 is, what happens first when a rolled out puri is put in hot oil? Options are A, the puri starts floating, B, the puri sinks, C, the puri shrivels up, D, the puri fills up with oil. Answer is B, the puri sinks. Number 2, what happens when a pin is put in a bucket full of water? Your options are A, it sinks about halfway and stops, B, it starts to float on the water, C, it sinks in the water, D, first it floats and then sinks. Your answer is C, it sinks in the water. Number 3, which of the following substance floats on water? Your options are A, iron, B, glass, C, sand, D, ice. Your answer is D, ice. Next, number 4, which of the following liquids mixes with water? Your options are A, milk, B, kerosene, C, coconut oil, D, oil. Your answer is option A, milk. Question number 5, which of the following substances dissolve in water? Your options are A, glass, B, sugar, C, sand, D, oil. Your answer is option B, sugar. 6, which of the following substances does not dissolve in water? Options are A, salt, B, sugar, C, chalk, D, edible soda. Your answer is C, chalk. Next, number 7, what will you do to dissolve sugar quickly in water? Your options are A, we will add ice to the water, B, we will let the water stand for some time, C, we will put the water in the fridge, and D, we will heat the water and stir it with a spoon. Your answer is D, we will heat the water and stir it with a spoon. Next, question number 2, fill in the blanks in each sentences with an appropriate word. Number 1, a lemon sinks in plain water but floats on dash. Answer is salty water. Next, number 2, when an egg is placed in a bucket full of water, it dash. Answer is sinks. Number 3, salt dissolves in dash. Answer is water. Number 4, to make dash, a mixture of lemon juice, sugar and water has to be made. Your answer is lemonade. Number 5, substances that dissolve in water are known as dash substances. Answer is soluble. 6, out of chalk, sand and sugar, dash dissolves in water. Answer is sugar. Number 7, on heating water, it turns into dash. Your answer is vapor. Next, question number 3, put a tick mark in front of the statements that are true and a cross in front of those that are false. So, number 1, puris are fried in hot water. Answer is false. Number 2, chalk dissolves in water. The statement is false. Number 3, lemon juice mixes with water. The statement is true. Number 4, sand settles down at the bottom of water. The statement is true. Number 5, oil mixes with water. The statement is false. Number 6, a large piece of wood floats on water. The statement is true. Number 7, when a brick is put in a utensil filled with water, it floats. Your answer is, the statement is false. Number 8, the process of evaporation is used to obtain salt from sea water. The statement is true. Now, question number 4, match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter or alphabet from column B in the answer column. Now they say we have to write the correct index letter, but they have given numbers in the column B and in the column A as well. So we have numbers in both the columns. So we will write answers in numbers. So question number 1 from column A, sugar. Answer is 4 dissolves in water. Number 2, coconut oil. Answer is number 1 floats on water. Number 3, sand. Answer is number 5 settles down in water. Number 4, marble. Answer is number 2 sinks immediately in water. Next, question number 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Now, question number 1. What happens when a ball of puri dough is put in a bowl full of water? Answer. When a ball of puri dough is put in a bowl full of water, it sinks. Question number 2. What was observed when the soap cake and the soap case fell from Sejal's hand into the bucket full of water? Answer. When the soap cake and the soap case fell from Sejal's hand into the bucket full of water, the soap cake sank into the water, but the soap case floated on it. Now, question number 3. Salt dissolves in water. What is salt known as? Answer. Salt dissolves in water. Salt is known as soluble substance. Solute here. It means salt is known as soluble substance as well as solute. So you can call salt as solute. Now, number 4. Give examples of 5 things that float on water. Answer. Examples of 5 things that float on water are plastic, wood, cork, indigo powder, thermocol. Next, number 5. Give examples of 5 things that sink in water. Answer. Examples of 5 things that sink in water are stone, glass, brick, iron needle, soap cake. Next, number 6. Approximately how much salt is dissolved in 1 liter water of the Dead Sea? Answer. Approximately 300 grams salt is dissolved in 1 liter water of the Dead Sea. Next, number 7. What is evaporation? Answer. The process in which a liquid turns into its gaseous form is known as evaporation. Now here we can take an example. When water turns into vapor, it is known as evaporation. Then number 8. Which type of substance seen in water can be separated with a filter? Answer. Substances that have not dissolved in water can be separated with a filter. Number 9. What things do you put in water to make tea? Which of those things dissolve in water? Answer. We put milk, sugar and tea leaves in water to make tea. Milk and sugar dissolves in water. Next, number 10. At your house, what things are made by drying in the sun? So, answer is things like papad, vadiyo, sarevda, potato wafers, wheat sev, sabudana chakri, etc. are made by drying them in the sun. So here we complete our question number 5. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the second part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.